my shoes and out the door. 5, I'm alive. 6, 7, 8, feeling great. 9, gonna shine, life is good. I'm doing fine. 10, gonna do it right and do it again, yeah. I look into the sky with all the beautiful color, but there's more than just for me, so gonna share it with another. I got to show, to give, let out. I want to sing and shout. Take a look and see a beautiful morning that turns into a beautiful evening, and together make a beautiful life.
Flash Photography notes that you're standing on the handrails, and please continue all the way down. Thank you, and enjoy your tour.
Oh, we got company.
Wow. All right.
How do, people?
All right. Hey, don't mind us. We'll be finished in just a minute.
Hey, What's that? Hey, how
What
you
are you
doing?
guys still doing here? You're supposed to be at a show.
I'm working.
Now.
I'd like to introduce our lovely manager.
Yeah, she's usually not like this, folks.
Yeah, she's usually worse.
I heard that.
Morning, guys. So we're at Hollywood Studios today, and we didn't have a fast pass for Rock and Roller Coasters, so we were just jumping right in line. But I wasn't with the rest of the group, so I've hopped into the single rider line, and I'm just headed right in. Yeah, absolutely. So there we go. We'll see if we meet him. Look at you guys partying. Oh, you had a video on your camera yesterday. I didn't put that in the vlog. You ready for Toy Story?
I'm ready. It's my song! It's my song here.
Look, we're getting right on the ride. We're getting right on. Jessica kicked my butt, guys. Jessica got a cat, I got a beaver. You got the best in the vehicle. Good job, Jess. Good job.
We're finally all together. All 12 of us. There we go.
Get the happy stick out. Whatever you call it. Selfie stick.
The happy stick. We should take a picture all together, though.
Okay, we're 6 again.
What?
Except for those sticks.
Oh, yay! Sydney!
Have the guy take it when we sit.
We will.
I can do one leg.
What?
I can do one leg.
Yes!
Yeah, that's a lot of coordination.
Please tell me why.
You keep that going.
And I'm sleeping with clothes on. I came in through the window last night, and you're gone.
Money, but it also takes. Yeah, it does take hard work, that's true, but it also takes, say it with me, talent. Yes, nice work. So do you know what I'm going to do?
What?
I am going to give you that. And I'm going to borrow your talent. Let's give her a nice big round of applause. Come on, be welcoming. Be welcoming. All right. Ladies and gentlemen, she did not think we were going to recognize her, but we do have a celebrity with us today. Sure do. Celebrity cowbell player, Miss Kling Clay.
I knew you looked familiar.
So here you go, pal. You hold on to this. And hey, dudes, let's get honky-tonky.
If you guys don't have a cowbell, just use your hands like this. If you do have a cowbell, they probably should have taken that in security. I met a gentle Baru queen at Disney.
Don't be afraid. Just really hit the cowbell.
Well, she tried to take me upstairs for a ride.
To the Tower of Terror, right?
Sure. Well, that lady, she nailed right across my shoulder. But I just can't see the train got off my mind.
sure did. Guys, she missed. Do it again.
Yeah, no, one more time.
But I like that you were aware of it, so thank you. Nailed it! Give her a nice big round of applause. Woo! Here's the best part. Stand right here, take a bow, and let this crowd love you. Woo! Now go away. One more round of applause for her, please. Okay, so friends, listen, I really want to tell you guys.
Emma and Erica. We are going into the Hollywood Tower Hotel. Are you excited? Yes. Emma, you're about to get on a ride that we might not come back, folks. Yes. That we may not come back from. How do you feel? Great. Excellent. A little adrenaline. You look confused. I am. Woohoo! You ready to drop? I'm ready. Ready. Stop, drop, and roll. Stop, drop, and roll. Well, better hold on to the furniture.
That's
You
what
remember
we did.
the first
Oh,
time?
I sure do. I was like, okay, girls, hang on to something. Because I didn't know.
How's your cupcake?
Good. Lady and the Tramp's really gone now.
Yeah, oh no, it's actually gone now.
We should have vlogged that. Like, your mother's unzipping. She's going, okay, I'm gonna.
I'm warm right now.
I wouldn't say I'm hot, but I'm warm. I'm comfortable.
Jessica, I'd say you're hot.
Thanks, babe.
He's a boy. He is.
All right.
I'll do something wrong in the near future that I'll need that for.
Oh, I got that on film. I got that on video.
Which stick?
They are looking for Fred now.
Fred is here.
Oh, I see him! I see him for real! For real! Oh, he just left.
Where'd he go?
Over there, that way. That way.
That way?
Fred.
He's black.
Oh,
He was running that way. There's probably more than one in here. Yeah, I'm sure Fred gets.
Oh, I just saw something move.
See? Now we're all on the lizard hunt.
You sure it wasn't my finger?
No, because it's up in the air. It was up in the air.
I don't know. We saw Fred. That's all that matters. I don't think we have.
The hat's gone, guys. Just the rims left.
By the time we're here in June, even that'll be gone.
Yeah,
Okay, the
we'll all
next
be gone.
Beauty and the Beast show is at 3 p.m.
What time is it now? Look at the helicopters. 2 of them.
2.
They're so green. Tower Terror.
Boom, boom, boom.
Boom, boom.
Mobster. Mob. Oh, great movie, right? Yeah. We haven't been able to go on a sequel. We're going in right now. Where did she go? But she's not over, but the sea. Under the sea. Yeah.
Alright guys, we found something that we've been looking at for a little while. You ready? I don't know. Maybe it doesn't work anymore.
It doesn't move.
No, I don't think it moves.
How do you do it?
I don't know.
Do you have to stand on this?
I don't see. Maybe it doesn't water anymore.
You're really trying to.
Well, that's the spot though.
That stinks.
Because we thought it was gonna rain.
That's very disappointing. Look at these weirdos. Don't. He has a hot chocolate on.
He has a hot chocolate on. He's not wearing it yet. I can make him wear it.
Keep you warm.
You could rock that.
Stylish.
She was right in here.
People have always told me that she was a little witch. So.
I am. I want him to know.
You could just be a model. Cute.
My mood right now.
Happy.
Is that happy? My mood later.
Oh.
Hey guys, I don't know how well you can see us, but we are at the drive-in tonight.
Yep.
It's actually not this dark outside, but we've traveled back in time to the 1950s at the Sci-Fi Dine-In restaurant. I think you guys have seen us eat here before, but we really like it. We didn't think we were going to come, but we got a last-minute reservation, and here we are. I'm excited. They got a specialty burger tonight, pulled pork. I think I might get a.
He's gonna go for it.
Pork.
He's gonna.
Yeah, I think that's what's gonna happen.
Yep.
Guys, it's Secret Agent Squirrel.
I was gonna give him the piece. You gotta do it as fast as you can. Good job.
That's gonna leave a mark. Slow it down, Hercules. Hey, watch the hair, kid.
Woo!
Yes, I got it. Wait a sec.
Oh, Jessica's winning.
I said all three. What?
Beautiful morning that turns into a beautiful evening, and together make a beautiful life. And if you wanna see, then come along with me, that's right. And if you want a good tomorrow, it's pretty simple, got a final life to follow. And if you do, you have a future real bright. And it's a combination of consistency. Come on and say, oh.